Your body, your time, your very breath belong to a farmer in 1850s Maryland. 6 long days a week you tend his fields and make him rich. You've never tasted freedom. You've never expected to. And yet, your soul lights up when you hear whispers of attempted escape. Every step seems louder, twigs snap and leaves crackle, but you walk on until you see a group of friendly faces. Your head says go, but your feet say no. You've heard about Harriet Tubman. Plantation owners are offering a $40,000 reward for her capture. Yet she greets you and whispers, a lantern under the hitching post means a safe house. But can you really knock on a white family's door and trust them to help you? A warm welcome and a hot food is what you find inside the house. Guided by their hearts, the owners break the law by helping runaways. Yet terror still haunts you. As you fall asleep, you hear bloodhounds following trails. They are looking for fugitives, looking for you. Freedom is still a long way off. As you travel, days are spent resting and hiding, while nights are reserved for migrating north. Through Delaware, you arrive in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. You've never seen a city like this. The people, the streets, the houses, the noise. Now you know the plantation really is hundreds of miles away. Along the way, you are introduced to William Steele. You've never met a man like him. Not a black man, anyway. Born free, he is a successful, confident leader in the fight against slavery. He can read and write, skills you were forbidden. He takes careful notes about your journey. Watching your deep, joyous breaths of free air, he cautions you not to get giddy. You've reached a free state, it's true, but United States law still sees you as your master's property, and bounty hunters are everywhere. He helps you get ready for another long stretch of travel. Some anti-slavery advocates clothe you in warm attire for the hard Canadian climate and make sure you're taken safely to Lake Erie. Across Lake Erie lies Canada and freedom. Sacrificing your life for freedom, you may have to float on frozen, cold chunks of ice that have formed since winter began. You make it across to Canada, free at last. You may be free, but will you be able to function without someone telling you your every move to make? Will you know how to own land and a house, raise a family, and make a living? Either way, you face those challenges in freedom.